Welcome to Money in a Minute, the podcast where we make personal finance simple, practical, and easy to apply in your everyday life. I'm Nathan Brooks, here to help you take small but powerful steps toward achieving financial freedom. Let me ask you, how many times have you thought about your student loans and just felt overwhelmed? Whether you've just graduated or you're a few years into your career, student loan debt can feel like a weight you can never escape. I've been there myself, and I know how stressful it can be. But today, I'm going to share some practical steps you can take to manage your student loans and start chipping away at that debt, no matter how big it is. So, let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is that student loans don't have to be this lifelong burden. Yes, it can feel like you're drowning in them at times, but there are clear steps you can take to make progress. Step 1 is understanding exactly what you owe. It's easy to bury your head in the sand and ignore your loans, but you can't tackle what you don't fully understand. Log into your loan servicer's website, gather all your loan details, how much you owe, your interest rates, and your repayment terms. The more you know, the more control you have over the situation. Next, let's talk about the importance of making on-time payments. Missing payments not only adds late fees, but it also impacts your credit score. So, create a plan to pay on time every time, and if you're struggling to make your monthly payments, don't wait until it's too late. Reach out to your loan servicer and see if you can adjust your repayment plan. Many servicers offer income-driven repayment plans or deferment options that might lower your monthly payment temporarily. Now, if you're able to pay more than the minimum, do it. Even an extra $20 a month can make a huge difference over time. I remember when I first started paying off my student loans, I felt like the balance would never go down. But once I started putting extra toward the principal, I watched the balance drop faster than I expected. And while it can be tempting to focus on paying down small loans first, paying off loans with the highest interest rates will save you the most money in the long run. Lastly, let's not forget about forgiveness options. If you're working in certain public service fields, like education or government, there are programs that could help forgive part of your loan balance after a certain number of years of qualifying payments. It's worth researching these options to see if you might be eligible. I know student loan debt can feel like it's going to take forever to pay off, but here's the thing. It's possible to make significant progress with the right strategy. I've been there and I've watched my debt shrink little by little. It's all about staying consistent and being proactive. Today we talked about the first steps to managing your student loans. Understanding your loans, making timely payments, paying more when you can, and looking into forgiveness options. If you stick with these strategies, you'll feel more in control of your financial future. This week, take a moment to log into your loan servicer's website, understand your loans, and consider what adjustments you can make. Start taking control of your student loans today. And remember, it doesn't happen overnight, but it does get easier with time. If you found today's episode helpful, share it with a friend who's looking to improve their financial habits. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an episode of Money in a Minute. Thanks for tuning in. Let's keep taking it one step at a time toward financial freedom.